Abusiamu akwaba ediba too much GH. Mesro say nene de kan me GH ya. Oba subscribe ama channel we no amia adoma no so ama say upload bi aba onsa atimi akabi na ne krata bi e na A.T.T.A.C.K.E.D a mensa krata no efi NAPO akache eno na mde baba so no bebu say NAPO no oye hwan NAPO eye running mate a ono na elbow owura Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia obo na chidom omomatu franka no de ama NPP amonyeko na nansem ho na NAPO yekoyi ni pie no kokeka ensem bi Ghana for
Dr. Matobogo Prempe, presidential running mate of the New Patriotic Party, has justified his claim that no Ghanaian president has ever worked as successfully as President Akufo-Addo.
Abusianfo Dr. Matobogo Prempe NAPO ene de freno na ena anu asem ya wokaye ena na wode enchirimu ebe na wotra se asemu ana opese okane se mampeni bie ni Ghana yabakosemu a waye aduma ete mampeni na Adodanko Akufo-Addo His Excellency the President waye aduma che wo bia even Kwame Nkrumah mpo waye aduma che wo.
Okay. So, minority.
We obi a usua ade anase we obi a weninje politics ho na wotinchen na wotie comment bi a efi sabi empanimfo binum wanum ba ana wa usha no kra no wa usha no a wotinchen no ana hu se o sana usha but wo nimde se ayana nokura kanu yankofo din
said
yamfa politics in 20 petty partisan politics me menhunu liman ene omu eka ho ena esunu said obi anso behu ne diafa yan some trafo yes but sometimes who asem a utumeka samampeni na Adodanko Akufo-Addo omunten na ye history mu no ebia ye benya abanboni bia ye betume de na toto no ho na wa compare to ono because me said hu ne distraction no aya more than ne papa ye
mente dia wo kan nyina mente ase
na wo be compare mampeni na Ado amamuo de atokwa Kwame Nkrumah ho
okay
wo be compare mampeni na Ado on time ebia ye history mu no generation ebeba no ye benya amamuo bi a wo betumi de compare mampeni na Ado na nya Kwame Nkrumah amamuo a mi ampo metenche ya mi hu se wo ko left you so about etise kwadwofo a wafodua ebu behwefom a wasi watetale hu besi a wasi obi tadua no no obofom so a wasi tese asaw biala wom ototo no se wo wianam weyi amamuo a wo compare we to Kwame Nkrumah amamuo ho NAPO.
Okay, already dey so asan confirm say ene dey no kwena no
some minim sesa no wote minim sesa no wote ono a onpa chew on kasa small kai wan kan yiye on kasa na no na fom ye obesa kura testify with impunity obetrem NAPO de say wonim no ana wo ye hoho
Echoromanu edigu ni su yie pa na eno enenne krata bi A.T.T.A.C.K.E.D chese NAPO ada ne dibre no ade ate ho se running mate de man Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia na eno na mafo krata ba wonto so da bi do munyi ni se NAPO fi se signature bia eni ase na sa krata no na mensa ko kan enne me de eba beso muntu ansa ne be ko krata no nya kohwe nsem e wo mu se yampa se NAPO edi dibre na ate ho no mesro se obe subscribe ma channel we eye too much GH wo subscribe wi am ya adoma no so na upload bia ba wonsa A.T.T.A.C.K.E.D akabi ma yankoi nyanko kan krata ne hwe nsem wo krata ne mu enu se che se NAPO Edni Dibrano Atuho. Ose NAPO resigned as running mate after insulting Kwame Nkrumah. Dr. Matthew Opeku Prempeh resignation as running mate. Upon reflecting of the reaction from the general public concerning my statement made on the 4th of July 2024 during my outdoor about His Excellency the First President of the Republic, Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and in consultation with my wife and entire family members, including my father, Her Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei de Asantehene, I wish declare my resignation as running mate for the presidential candidate of the NPP, Dr. Bawumia. As if that is a first paragraph we cry a work at a ma a chrese or run a panka sakachi and a crat a free bar was it of 4th of July 2024 and summer of what kind ye and they say I MPP Amanukui a boy Jumacha Manukobia Empo Mokwame Nkrumah Ekanwa winning someone a po ekayeno ma Ghana for a chero musidu gunisono a fe a jebo cratano and ye free napo akachi abante my uncle son to us and someone napo a course of kind. But say the statement I made regarding President Akufo-Addo performance has understandably sparked significant controversy and backlash among Ghanaians. I acknowledge that my remarks was reckless and have caused widespread discomfort and offenses. I deeply regret any harm my words may have caused to the esteemed legacy of our former presidents, including Dr. Kwame Nkrumah and my grand uncle John Agyekum Kufuor, whom I deeply respect and honor. It was never my intention to disrespect or undermine the contributions of these distinguished leaders of our nation. My statement was an expression of my personal opinion, and I realize now the insensitivity and inappropriateness of my remarks. I have always cherished the opportunity to serve the presidential candidate and the new Patriotic Party (NPP). However, in light of the negative impact caused by my words, I believe stepping down from the position is the appropriate course of action. I take full responsibility for my actions and wish to express my sincere apologies to all whom have been affected by this incident. I want to thank His Excellency the Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, the National Council, and the rank and file of our NPP and our esteemed President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo for the unwavering support and faith they had in me. I thank Mr. President again for the opportunity granted me to serve in two respected cabinet positions. I am equally grateful to the colleague ministers of state, members of parliament, and Her Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei de Asantehene and my uncle for the confidence reposed in me. My philosophies remain service and leadership. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make us great and strong. Dr. Matthew Opeku Prempeh, running mate to the NPP presidential candidate, July 15, 2024. Into way any and someone ora napo e de babeto abontin a all chrese and someone o kan ye no wadadwe ne ho ni papa Otumfuo Osei na na atunefo amone hu se ne someone o kan no wan kan ye enu ti the honorable tenana sade obeye a ebedi mu ebebo ne din no ho ban ne se obestep down enu ti enne napo edni dubre ato ho se mampani ebe de kira oboa Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia amanko makwa pre franka no ede ama NPP na asem beto abontin na mi kan se we die e bin si Ghana hada entwe eye blow ede ma NPP ne na po aye asai NPP chances so mbetimi awi ni abano ana se ebe ma NPP chances no abusti akosoro se ne na po amanfo keka se omuade no we wa kire se obuade na NPP party no so ye party almost so ensemhu bia so enu ti we krampo ebe boa ma NPP party no enya vote efi Ghana for ho se na won so ade nche yo mehu e wo comment section na se ne na po aye ebe boa NPP ana se ebe ha NPP e wo kwan bi so aha eye too much years make sure so be subscribe channel we na wa mia adoma no so ama upload bi ebe bia won sa etimi akara makra